The best DJ controllers in 2026? Featuring the latest gear designed to elevate your mixing, creativity, and live performances. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics or a professional DJ seeking advanced control, this guide will help you find the perfect setup. Stay tuned as we break down the top picks, key features, and performance highlights. Links in the description. Number 5, the AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 compact 2-channel DJ controller is an excellent entry-level solution designed for modern DJs who value portability, simplicity, and streaming flexibility. Built with beginners and casual performers in mind, this compact controller delivers a smooth introduction to digital DJing while still offering enough creative tools to keep learning exciting and engaging. One of the standout features is its effortless setup process. Users can quickly connect the controller to a phone, tablet, or computer without dealing with complicated drivers or technical configuration. Compatibility with rekordbox, DJ, and Serato DJ Lite makes it versatile and accessible across multiple platforms, allowing users to start mixing within minutes. The streaming ready capability is especially useful as it enables DJs to mix tracks directly from supported streaming services without maintaining a large personal music library. Despite its small footprint, the DDJ FLX2 feels thoughtfully designed. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry in a backpack, making it ideal for travel, practice sessions, or small gatherings. The Smart Fader feature simplifies transitions by automatically adjusting tempo and volume, while Smart CFX allows users to apply dynamic effects with minimal effort, helping beginners achieve professional sounding mixes. Connectivity is practical and reliable, with dedicated outputs for speakers and headphones that allow accurate monitoring during performances or practice. This ensures smoother transitions and improved mixing confidence. Overall, the AlphaTheta DDJ FLX2 is a smart, beginner-friendly controller that balances portability, innovation, and ease of use. It is a strong choice for anyone starting their DJ journey or seeking a compact controller for creative mixing anywhere. Number 4, the Numark Mixtrack Pro FX Serato DJ controller is a versatile and powerful tool designed for DJs seeking both functionality and creative freedom. This 2-channel controller offers complete control over Serato DJ Lite, making it an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate DJs who want a reliable system for practice, performance, or live streaming. With plug-and-play USB connectivity for Mac and Windows, setup is straightforward and allows users to start mixing without unnecessary technical hurdles. One of the most impressive features is the large 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels. These jog wheels emulate the feel of traditional turntables, enabling precise cue placement, smooth scratching, and accurate beat matching. The tactile feedback provides a professional experience that enhances creativity during live performances. The Mixtrack Pro FX also offers extensive performance tools. Each deck features 8 performance pads, giving access to cues, loops, fader cuts, and samples. 6 quick launch FX with dual paddle triggers allow DJs to add dynamic effects instantly, while dedicated loop controls enable seamless transitions and improvisation. Connectivity is robust, including a microphone input, multiple headphone outputs, and RCA outputs to connect easily to DJ speakers. The built-in 24-bit audio interface ensures clear and high-quality sound, while the included mixer features a 3-band EQ, filter knobs, channel faders, and a responsive crossfader for precise mixing. Additionally, the controller supports streaming from leading platforms such as Apple Music, Tidal, Spotify, SoundCloud, Beatport Link, and BeatSource Link, giving DJs access to millions of tracks without relying on a local library. Overall, the Numark Mixtrack Pro FX combines intuitive controls, professional feel, and extensive connectivity to create a highly capable DJ controller. Number 3, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 2-deck rekordbox and Serato DJ controller in white, limited edition, is a highly versatile and user-friendly controller designed for both aspiring and experienced DJs. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and set up anywhere, whether for practice at home, small parties, or live performances. Despite its portable size, it delivers a professional experience with features that are simple to access and intuitive to use. One of the most notable aspects of this controller is its multi-device compatibility. The DDJ FLX4 allows seamless operation with both rekordbox and Serato DJ, giving users flexibility to choose the software that suits their style and workflow. The layout is thoughtfully designed, ensuring that all essential controls are within easy reach, allowing DJs to focus on creativity rather than technical adjustments. For performers who wish to add vocals or MC over their sets, this controller simplifies the process by mixing the audio automatically, making live performances smoother and more dynamic. The included USB cable enables quick connection to a PC or Mac, and there is no need to install additional audio drivers, making the setup process fast and hassle-free. The build quality is solid, providing a reliable feel during extended use, while the responsive jog wheels and mixer controls allow precise mixing, scratching, and cueing. Overall, the Pioneer DJ DDJ FLX4 White Limited Edition combines portability, ease of use, and professional functionality, making it an excellent choice for DJs who want a flexible, ready-to-play controller that performs reliably in any environment. Number 2. The Denon DJ Prime Go Plus portable DJ controller and mixer is an exceptionally versatile and powerful tool designed for professional DJs seeking mobility without compromising performance. This standalone battery-powered controller delivers high-end features typically found in larger systems, making it perfect for laptop-free performances at home, parties, or outdoor events. Its compact size and lightweight design ensure that DJs can transport it easily while still enjoying professional-grade functionality. One of the standout features of the Prime Go Plus is its robust Wi-Fi streaming capability. With a dedicated DRM chip and built-in Wi-Fi, users can instantly access over 100 million tracks across popular streaming platforms such as Apple Music and Amazon Music Unlimited. Combined with Engine DJ OS, the controller allows for advanced song analysis, embedded sampler functionality, touch effects, and wireless updates, ensuring a seamless creative workflow without relying on a computer. The Prime Go Plus is also a portable effects powerhouse. It features 26 main effects, 2 knob-controlled sweep effects, fader echo effects, and 10 interactive touch effects, offering immense flexibility for expressive mixing. DJs can perform using standalone stems for vocals, melody, bass, and drums, allowing precise control over track elements. Connectivity is extensive with balanced XLR outputs, quarter-inch booth outputs, RCA main outputs, Bluetooth input and output, auxiliary input, and dual microphone jacks. The 7-inch touchscreen provides intuitive navigation, while onboard lighting controls support Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, and DMX systems. Additionally, DJs can use the SD card slot and USB inputs to access saved playlists and tracks, ensuring readiness anywhere. Overall, the Denon DJ Prime Go Plus delivers unparalleled portability, professional performance, and creative freedom, making it a standout choice for DJs who demand flexibility and power on the move. Number 1. The RANE Performer 4-channel motorized DJ controller is a high-end, professional DJ system designed for maximum creativity, precision, and performance. With its solid metal construction and thoughtfully engineered components, this controller delivers a tactile and responsive experience that caters to both seasoned DJs and aspiring professionals. Its 7-inch motorized aluminum platters with magnetic acrylic discs offer a realistic, high-torque feel, allowing for precise scratching, beat matching, and intuitive track control. Built-in displays provide essential song information, waveforms, and pad mode feedback, keeping the DJ fully informed during performances. One of the most innovative features of the Performer is its advanced stem controls. DJs can utilize stem split, stem level, and stem pad mode to manipulate individual elements of a track, including a cappella and instrumental sections. Integrated with Serato DJ Pro, which now supports streaming from Apple Music, Tidal, Spotify, and more, the controller allows instant access to over 100 million tracks without the need for local libraries. The mixer section is equally impressive, featuring adjustable tension, precision feel faders, and the Mag 4 crossfader for ultra-smooth and reliable mixing. Expressive performance is enhanced with 29 paddle-triggered main FX, 4 knob-controlled channel FX, and 16 multicolor pads with OLED displays, enabling intricate live remixing and dynamic effects. Connectivity is comprehensive, including XLR, RCA, and TRS outputs, multiple microphone inputs, and DVS support, making it compatible with a wide range of professional setups. Trusted RANE quality ensures durability and consistent performance. Overall, the RANE Performer 4-channel motorized DJ controller combines precision, innovation, and flexibility, establishing itself as a top choice for professional DJs seeking ultimate creative freedom. Thanks for watching our guide to the best DJ controllers in 2026. We hope this video helped you discover the perfect controller to match your style, skill level, and performance needs. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more gear reviews and music tech updates. Let us know your favorite DJ controller in the comments and stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon.